Hello, I'm Clint Mylan, and I'm here to demonstrate this style of cable fitting and how to install them. First of all, you get your fitting on there, and it is barely got some threads out, just enough where you can put the acorn nut on there. But we don't want the threads to go into the acorn nut because that is how we'll tighten it up. And then we'll head over to the other side. And we've pre-cut this thing 5 inches long. So when we push this through, we'll put enough, we'll put the washer on, the nut, and like I say, we'll just leave enough so the nut can go on there. Next, I'm going to pull this up here and get it very close to the end. You'll see the crimped part here. And I'm going to pull it really tight. I've got it marked with my fingers. Take the cable cutters. And you cut that off. And then on the pump, turn her tight. Put the cable in. You pull it as tight as you can. And you just want to crimp this just on the end. So now that I'm on the end, I can feel a little pressure. So I want to do 4 times and try to get a fit. There's 3. Okay, and then to release it, you just do that. Now to tighten. Tighten the nut. And you'll have the option to tighten it up on the other side also. Put the acorn nut on there. Nice and tight. And that's how you put these kind of fittings on here. Thank you very much.